Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. First, best wishes for the year 2024 to all Sudoku friends. We have here in the first daily newspaper in this year, Tuesday, January the 2nd, 2024. Yeah, the publisher has changed the puzzles in the puzzle page. Yes, we have now extra puzzles. Usually there are two regular puzzles. Now we have three regular puzzles, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and we have also a tectonic JigSaw Sudoku. Also in today's newspaper we have an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. Then we have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start with these 3 regular puzzles. Well, 3 regular puzzles. Alright, let me zoom this in. This one will be number 7719. 7719. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. 26 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But we have here 26 printed digits. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have 1 and a 9 in this column, so no 1 and 9 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And we have a pair, 1 and a 2 in the first row, 1 and a 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, then, let me see, which number can I pick? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7, I believe. Yes. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and a 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this column, so no 5 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes at there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. And now, let me see. Little 1 here, little 1 there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, and look with 1 and a 9 in this row. No 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 3. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Then 1, 9, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, and look, we have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. The only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me continue with the 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. White. Okay, how about the 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place level, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 place level, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 1 box left in this column. For last column for number 1, the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 place left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 1. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Wow. Is this a 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 or 13 minutes. So well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.